Hello friends, in this video we learn about ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. It is generally single stranded. RNA has a backbone made of alternating sugar and phosphate group. Attached to each sugar is one of the four bases, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. RNA is unstable due to the presence of free 2' hydroxyl group of ribose, so it was unlikely that it can be genetic material. RNA occurs in multiple copies and various forms. The first evidence that RNA can also store genetic information came from the experiment conducted with tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMV. This virus does not contain any DNA and is composed of RNA surrounded by hollow cylinder of protein subunits. Various plant and animal viruses have RNA genome. For example, sudden emergence of severe respiratory disease such as Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus and severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 have positive single-stranded RNA genome. Cells contain up to 8 times as much as RNA as DNA. RNA has number of important biological functions, and on the basis RNA molecules are categorized into several major types such as messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. Eukaryotic cells also have some additional RNA, that is small nuclear RNA, small nucleolar RNA and microRNA. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.